Hello everyone, I'm Santosh Shukonda Honrao. I'm from Sangli. I completed my BE in Mechanical. Today date is 3rd January 2022. Today topic is array list in Java. Array list is a part of collection framework and is parent in Java util package. It provides us with dynamic arrays in Java. Through it may be slower than standard arrays but can be helpful in programmers where lots of manipulation in the array is needed. Since array list is a dynamic array and we do not have specify the size while creating it, the size of array automatically increase when we dynamically add and remove items. Through actual libraries implementation may be more complex. The following is the very basic idea explaining the working of the arrays. When the arrays becomes full, if we try to add an items, uh, create a bigger sized memory on heap memory, for example memory of double size, copies the current memory elements to the new memory. A new items is added now as there is a bigger memory available. Now delete the old memory. Important features: array list inheritance, abstract list class, and implements the list of interface. Array list initialized by the size, however the size is increased automatically automatically if the collection grows or shrink, the object are removed from the collection. Java array list allows us randomly access the list. Array list cannot be used for primitive type like integer, character, uh, etc. We need a wrapper class for such classes. Array list in Java can be seen as a vector in C++. Array list is not synchronized. It is a equivalent synchronized class in Java is a vector. In above illustration, abstract list copy on right array list and the abstract sequential list are the classes. The implementation, the list of interface, separate functionality is the implementation in each of the mentioned classes. There are abstract list. This class is used to implement an modified list which uh, for each for each which is the one need only extend the abstract list. Class implements only get and size method copy on right array list. This class implements the list interface. It is used in enhanced version of array list in which all the modification add, set, remove, etc. are the implementation by making a fresh copy list. Abstract sequential list. This class implements the collection interface and abstract collection class. This is class is used to implement an unmodifiable list for the to only extend the abstract list class and the implements only get method and size method constructors in array list. In order to create an array list, we need to create an object of the array list class. The array list class consists of array of constructor which allows the possible creation of the array list. Array list, the constructor is used to build an empty array list. If we wish create an empty list with the name argument, then it can be created as array list argument is equal to a new array list collection uh, this constructor is used to build a array list initialized with the element from the collection. Suppose we wish to create a array list argument which contains the elements present in the collection C. Then it is created as array list argument is equal to new array list C. Array list int capacity. It is a constructor is used to build array list with the initial capacity being specified. Suppose we wish to create an array list with the initial size being n, then it can be created as array list argument new array list n. Let's see to perform some basic operation on array list is as listed, which we going to discuss further alongside implementation. Every uh, operation: adding element to list, changing element, remove element, iterating element. Operation 1: adding element. Thank you.